Hi everyone, I'm Manan and I'm co-founder and CEO of Jurisynk, and today I will be giving you the walkthrough of our platform. So, from the home screen, we can go to projects. Inside projects, we can create a new project. I will name this project Falcon. I will take the company as Helios and domain as helios.in, and I will create this project. So project is a workspace where I can work with my documents and I can ask questions, generate outputs and do some analytics. So I will be uploading the documents here. So in today's example, we are taking a data set of a company's documents which are needed for its acquisition. So our client, which is Helios, is going to acquire 100% stakes in that company. So as we can see here, the documents have been processed. There are a lot of documents here, and the software has generated a memo, a summary of all the transaction deal, which you can expand and read from here. You can download it in PDF. Then it has also generated an events timeline where you can look into what are the events in each of the documents which are present. And now we will start our analysis. So directly from clicking here, we can reach to the chat and we can simply would go to the prompt library, and again I would like to understand whether the 100% acquisition of the target company is practically possible or not, and we will try to see what are the gaps in that, right? So I will select the prompt for that and I will run it. For example, retail cart here has MSA which prohibits the change of control without retail cart's prior written consent, and it actually makes sense because they are the major contributor in the revenue of Vantara. For example, they are contributing approximately 38% in their revenue. Let's say if I want to do a tabular review, so I will simply open this tab of tabular review and I will create a Falcon risk analysis. So for example, I will do a compliance assessment here. Uh, Selecting my project from here. So I will select the whole project here. I simply basically drop it all here, and our soft our software will start the tabular analysis of these whole documents. So it will first generate the extraction plan. So I will right now approve the extraction plan. So now whenever we click over a particular document, it directly takes us to the memo, which is like your document summary. From there you can reach to the exact place from of the documents from where the data has been extracted out. So this is like a risk analysis. Now I can simply ask the questions here. So right now, till now, in all the legal AI tools, the people were able to extract out the information and do some analysis over it. But now we have given Jurisync its own visualizer where you can visualize the data into diagrams. Can you please generate a cap table pie chart? Numbers instead, you can visualize like Aditya Kulkarni is the majority stakeholder. Then there is Neha Bhide. There have been 8,000 options inside the ESOP pool, and 3,100 of them have been granted, but none of them have been exercised till now. So now let's go towards drafting. How the drafting feels like. So I will go to the prompts and I will now get a SPA drafted. We can see it here. Now I want to collaborate over this with my teammates, so I can directly open it from here into Canvas. And this is our editor, like you don't need to go anywhere else to edit it, to comment it, and to get it reviewed by your teammates. So for example, what I can do is I can simply write the command that please remove this drafting node before sharing to external, right? So I can add the comments like this. And now if let's say I want to make some suggestions here, so I can simply go to suggesting and I can remove these numbers, or I can add some lines, like add some extra lines, and here it basically generates a red line for you. You can save it into Canvas, and uh, you can now use the AI editor to edit it, and you can use the playbooks. You can create them, and you can submit your versions. Manan's version 1 of SPA and submit it. You can compare the changes between different versions, as well as you can share it with your collaborators, so they will get the collaboration link for a limited time of window, and you guys can work together over it. So that's how it looks like. And thanks guys for watching.